Derek from PDK Films. This video is sponsored by West Legends. Your mission is to attack a heavily guarded compound and eliminate all hostiles. Then, you'll have to defeat a boss and take all his gold. We're giving away 3 Nerf Chris Vectors to 3 lucky people who download and play, you gotta play, West Legends from the link below. Good luck and yeehaw, cowboy!
Hey guys, I want to give a quick shout out to West Legends for sponsoring this video. West Legends is a 3v3 Wild West themed multiplayer game. Take part in epic 3-minute battles with your friends and other players across the world. It's really cool because you can add friends and team up with them in your battles. Be sure to add me, my username is PDK Films, and once you do, we can play together. Fight as all kinds of heroes with different talents and power-up features while battling through various maps and game modes, each with their own unique style of play. There's a really cool talent upgrading system that allows you to upgrade your talents and choose the ones that will give you the best advantage on the battlefield. So what are you waiting for? It's time to sharpen your steel and load your lid. Download from the link below for a chance to win a full auto Nerf Chris Vector. West Legends is a one-of-a-kind multiplayer online battle arena that consists of fast, intense, action-packed, 3-minute-long 3v3 team battles. There's over 15 heroes to unlock and customize to make them your own. My favorite hero is Wayne. In fact, the boss that I fought in this video was inspired by the hero from the game. There's a bunch of different game modes and maps to choose from. Train Heist and Beer Garden are my favorite modes to play, and depending on what mode I'm playing, I can choose different talents each battle to improve my strategy and give me an advantage in the arena. You can also win chests that can be unlocked to power up your heroes, which will give you more juice on the battlefield. The best part about this game is that you can team up with your friends and play with them in your battles. Be sure to add me, my username is PDK Films. And don't forget to use the talent upgrading system to upgrade your talents and choose the ones that will give you the best advantage on the battlefield. Once again guys, we're giving away 3 Nerf Chris Vectors, a white, blue, and orange one, to 3 people who download and play West Legends from our link below. Good luck everyone, and I'll see you out on the battlefield.